everyone, welcome back to our new vlog, and today we're gonna make ice latte. Yeah, after a few days of using this, I am now confident to make ice latte on my own. So let's get into it. First, turn on the machine, wait for everything to start flashing, then it's good to go. Now we're gonna use our handle and our double shot basket. Put it in here. For the grind level, I'm gonna use number 4 because if it's lower than that, the coffee is really bitter. And the dose level should be a bit more than in the middle. Alright, make sure the double shot is on, temperature on the middle, the second one, and now I'm gonna grind our coffee. Alright, it's done, and there's a line here to say you need to time it. So when you time, you just pull this out and then you push, and while holding it, you let go of this, and voila, this is our coffee. Remove the excess ground coffee, and here, as you can see, as long as the ground coffee is below the mark right there, then this will be a good espresso shot. And now we put it in here, lock it. I'm gonna use this cup here. The structure is real, very hard to make espresso, so this is when everything is ready. I'm gonna press OK. Double espresso shot. I'm gonna put some ice. Next is the milk. And just enough milk like that. Now I like sweetness, so I'm gonna use this from Coles vanilla sugar syrup, just a tiny bit like that. All we have to do is pour in our espresso shot. Voila! With a spoon in there, and then mix it. And that is our coffee. Alright guys, this is my ice latte, and we drink this every morning. It's refreshing. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.